Welcome back to another video. It's me, Brian, with Marketing with Bri. My new website is entrepreneurforums.com. Thank you guys for visiting this video today. I'm really happy to have you. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you are just stumbling on my channel, please subscribe and become a part of the family. My aim is to just be completely transparent with you guys and show you how I try my best to make an extra income online other than my main business. Because that's my philosophy, today I'll be showing you guys how I made my first $5 in one day with Maxbounty. Many people might scoff at this and say, oh, that's not nothing, you know, $5 can't even buy anything. But the thing is, I made this $5 while I sleep. I made this $5 while I eat. I made this $5 while, you know, it was just 20 minutes worth of work. And then I made this $5. So it wasn't hard on my part, and the commissions still come rolling in. And it's exciting for me because I'm coming from the dropshipping world. Where it's much harder to market your product, but here coming into the CPA world, it's like I see tons of potential for myself. You know, I'm currently working on building different email lists and different strategies. I'm testing different methods that pop up in my head. Probably other people have tried, but I'm testing different methods because I want you guys to be able to see what works and what doesn't, so you can save you time. And one of the methods that have been working for me is actually Craigslist. What I've done is I come into the gig section, the computer, and I usually just post. There are different offers on Maxbounty about surveys. So this one here is Survey Junkie. I've heard good things about them. They are not scammers or anything. They do pay. The only problem is you can't make a full-time income from it. But if you're looking for extra $20, $30 a month, you can still use it. So it's legit. So I don't feel bad promoting it. For each person that signs up, I get $1. Now, because of that, it's easy for people to sign up. If you send 1,000 people, you can easily get 100 to sign up because it's a legit service. So because of that, I publish it on just 2 gig section of popular cities, and I got over 100 clicks. This is just for today. I think yesterday we didn't do so well yesterday. 44 clicks, but this was a different page. So this was a different offer. So I realized that this wasn't converting very well. For today, between yesterday and today, I got over 70 clicks for this one offer, and only one converted. So that's like less than 3%. But then I promoted this offer with Survey Junkie and got 3. So it's a 13% conversion rate. And because of that, I've learned, okay, if this continues, let's say this goes down to even 10%, all I need is 1,000 clicks to get 100 sign up. How can I get 1,000 clicks? Well, with Craigslist, you can get 100 clicks with Craigslist, no problem. I've only posted for this offer in 1 city, and I got 22 clicks and 3 leads. So, and I haven't built the email list or anything. This is just cold traffic. So I've been wondering to myself, you know, the possibilities are not endless, because you can find free cities, you can find different ways and promote these offers and get sales. Now I'm not logging. So I'm currently very excited for this, because this shows that, you know, first of all, Maxbounty is legit. I know other people have been saying yes, it's legit, but I tried it myself now and I'm seeing, okay, yeah, you know, earnings are coming through. Let's see if they'll pay. But other than that, I always felt like all my traffic, because I've been doing this for about a month now, and haven't fully focused on it, but like I spent some time today, and I was like, you know, let's try this. I tried the Maxbounty and Craigslist, and I feel like it has potential. And this is just one offer. There are offers out there that pay you up to $88 per lead. not for surveys, but for other stuff, like where people could submit their email and stuff and get a free trial of a product or something like that that they might want. So the possibilities are not endless because Craigslist has plenty of traffic, plenty of different sections. I even saw an offer that allows you as a renter to be able to use your rental history as a factor that will help build your personal credit. Now, for me, as a homeowner, that's no benefit to me. But when I was a renter, I was able to. I would love to sign up for a service like that, and for me, that service paid as an affiliate. That service would have paid $8 per lead, which is simple one-page submit. So stuff like that, you know, if you can get 10, 20 people per day, which is not quite hard if you find a traffic method and you stick with it, you can get 10, 20 people per day, and you know that's an extra $80 to $100 a day income that's just coming in. Like, not much work on your part, probably an hour just posting on the different free sections of Craigslist, and the traffic will come. So I just wanted to leave you guys with that little motivation. I'll keep you posted as to what happens, and if I figure out any other ways. I mean, I didn't YouTube this or anything, I just thought of it, and I was like, Maxbounty and Craigslist might work. My links are able to be posted on Craigslist. I'll make a future video show you how I made that post on Craigslist, and you know, I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and let me know down in the description if you have a better way. I'm new to Maxbounty. I am no professional or experienced person in this case. It's just trial and error for me, but I want you guys to follow on the journey. Really appreciate you following me as well. But check out my website. I try to remain pretty active on here, and just post my truth. I'm really looking forward to you guys like becoming a part of the family, and you know, let's all help each other. There's a popular saying where I'm from that, you know, one hand washes the other. So, you know, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. Different saying like that. So, with your experience, my experience, we can definitely make it work for both of us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Please subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day. All right, bye bye.